Hello, my name is Greg Riva, and I'm a science teacher for a school called St. Thomas the Apostle in Crystal Lake, Illinois, USA. And I've been a science teacher for about 27 years. And in the last decade, I've been involved with iEARN in doing project-based science as my primary focus when I teach curriculum, science curriculum. And I use the accessibility of international platforms, international forums, international gatherings to connect with other teachers, other students from abroad, to work on the resolution of problems and to do research on concerns, whether environmental concerns, economic concerns, and um, um, there's a number of different avenues you can pursue in that. Um, through for the years that I've been involved as a science teacher I've taught from sixth grade through 12th grade. It's called secondary education in the USA, and um, my focus has been on trying to establish projects, and iEarn allows you to utilize that idea and take it to a much greater extent now with international collaboration and cooperation on projects worldwide. Um, I've been involved with Earth Stewardship Project, which is a project that I facilitate, and it's a project of investigation of environmental concerns that we have in our local ecosystems. We've also been involved with the Water's Life Project, and there have been other learning circle projects that we've done over the years. And also, we've been involved with a number of virtual conferences. And in each of these cases, um, we've been able to interact with teachers and students in other countries, in other cultures, trying to work and collaborate together to solve real world problems. And I've communicated with teachers and students from Poland to Tunisia, Morocco, Tunisia, Belarus, and Moldova. And we've even been in contact with students from Taiwan, India, and most recently Pakistan. And the focus on this has always been when we get involved with the projects, we try to maintain kind of a set schedule, a set format or expectation that everybody involved in the project wants to achieve. With this in mind, though, it provides like the stepping stones to get from here to there. You want to work your way through the project, and people know the outcomes you're trying to achieve. There's like an agreement on the outcomes you're trying to achieve. Like for example, Earth Stewardship Project, we're trying to protect and preserve local ecosystems. And as we communicate with other schools in other cultures, um, the problem is understood, but how we express it to each other can have some variability, and how what we focus as a priority to solving those problems. There could be variability in that, but that's kind of the beauty of international collaboration. The beauty is in the variability. The beauty is in the different ideas and the different manifestations of how you want to present information, how you want to present your conclusions, and it's part. I see it as a great asset to the project by getting involved with iEarn and working through project. The different thinking that goes along in cultures, you have to accept it. You have to, and I would say you have to kind of roll with it and see how it eventually presents itself. We all know what the expectation is and what the challenge is, but how you get there and how you present your solution to the problem is the variability in international collaborative cooperation that makes it exciting. Um, my students have been always very concerned with being very supportive with presentations given. They've tried to be diligent in how they give their presentation, and we do try to keep things down in kind of a tight manner so that our ideas get across as clearly as possible. That's one thing. And so, when we communicate in English, we try to make sure that our presentations are clear and concise. We've done that with our presentations on digital formats. We've also done our presentations on video presentations, live presentations. So that this is what we've achieved.